Hello everyone. Today I want to show you guys a little hack in case your house is too dry. If you live somewhere very dry and you need a humidifier, but then say the humidifier is the big ones are too expensive, then this is a little hack that I'm going to teach you guys. So basically what you see here is a towel, clothes hanger, bucket of water, and then a stand. Now, there's some variables like where you can change it up, but the crucial part is just to have the towel and then a bucket of water. And this bucket of water can actually, it doesn't have to be this kind of bucket. It could be anything. It could be a trash can. It could be some other plastic container. What we're gonna do is we're gonna soak the towel in water. And I think you guys know where I'm getting with this. But once we soak the towel with water, we're going to drain some of the water out. We don't want it too wet where it starts like soaking the floor or it starts dripping on the floor or anything like that. And then we're going to go ahead, hang, you're going to want to use the clothes hangers, and then you're going to hang the towel. Now, one thing to notice is that the short end of the towel, you want to put it in the front because if you put it in the back and you don't notice, it might be dripping everywhere. So then we're going to put it in the front, and then we're going to want to have one end of the towel. We're going to want to have one end of the towel in the bucket of water. So just to give you guys an idea, this is how much water is inside. You could probably put a little bit more. You just want to make sure that the towel's wet and that it keeps soaking in the water. So now we have this wet towel hanging from a clothes hanger. And like I said, it doesn't have to be on this kind of tripod stand. It could be on anything. As long as the towel is not touching the drywall or the towel's not getting all over the rug. You just want to have one end of the towel in water, a bucket, a plastic container, and then hanging from something. All right, guys. So go ahead and try this at home and tell me what you think. I'm gonna make another video about how to use multiple little versions of this device. But I noticed that if your house is really dry, to have a big towel that's soaked in water works the best. So go ahead and try that at home and let me know what you guys think. If it helps, please like or comment. And it's much appreciated. Thank you very much.